We'll examine three weapons in current use with modern armies. They are the German H&K's G3, a true battle rifle firing the full-size .308 cartridge, the Colt M16, current U.S. assault rifle, and the communist-carried AK47, also an assault rifle.
Here are three of the most common infantry rifles of today's armies. This is a West German G3, which fires a full caliber .308 round. It is a gas-operated rifle, fires at about 750 rounds per minute. This is the M16 assault rifle used by the U.S. Army. It fires a very compact and powerful .22 caliber round, and it fires close to 1,000 rounds per minute. This is a Russian and Block AK47. It fires an intermediate .30 caliber round. It is also gas operated and fires at about 800 rounds per minute.
Both the H&K and the AK47 are known for their ability to function under adverse conditions including snow, mud, and rain. The M16, an accurate weapon, is less tolerant unless given frequent maintenance. Notice that each weapon has its own recognizable voice when being fired due to particular cyclic rate and cartridge. All automatic weapons are recognizable in this manner.